Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making goat tripe, or let me just say goat intestines. Yes, so it was also a mixture of liver as well as lungs. Yes, and then I started off by cleaning the meat, and then I cut them into smaller pieces, added in water to clean it again, and then transferred into my pot. Started adding in my spices, garlic powder, a paprika, chicken spice, as well as beef spice, and then some salt. I always say that when it comes to spices, this goes down to preferences as well as what you have. So these were the spices that I had. So I had to let it cook for some minutes until the first water that was in the meat had to dry out, and then I added in more water. I think I added twice. Yes, and then I continued to cook until it softened, and then I added in my oil, cooking oil, and you fry it just a little, not too much. You shouldn't turn golden brown. And then I had to bring in my onions and then continued with frying until my onions were done. And then once that was done, I added in my grated tomatoes, continued frying. Look at that, guys, this already looks nice. And then I had to cover it up and then started working on my stew. So I just I once my tomatoes were already looking just fine right now, but there was no stew, so I had to dissolve some royco so that I make a good stew. I like using royco a lot, so I had to cover it up to cook for just a few minutes, 5 minutes, and then this was done. This was absolutely 10 out of 10. What do you think, guys?